Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by selecting the cell that will hold your IF formula and clearly define the condition you want checked. Once done, determine if a simple IF is enough, or if you need nested IFs, ifs, or, and to express multiple conditions. Make sure your referenced ranges are consistent and apply absolute references with $ when you intend to copy the formula across rows. This prevents unintended shifts. Now enter equals IF and get ready to write the logical test expression. Next, construct the IF expression. Equals if logical test, value if true, value if false. Explain the logical test by using comparisons like A2 or text checks with equals, use and A250 B2 equals yes, or to combine rules. If you need multiple branches, nest IFs or use IFS for clarity. Remember, each nested IF adds another comma and parenthesis. Make sure to test a few cells and copy the formula, watching for relative versus absolute references to behave as intended. To finish, validate results across typical and edge cases, including blanks and unexpected text. Use isBlank or supply default value if false to handle empties. If results look wrong, run evaluate formula to step through execution and toggle show formulas to view raw expressions. Once fixed, lock key references and copy formulas. If nested IFs become unreadable, refactor into IFS or helper columns for clarity. One key tip: check for extra spaces and exact text matches if comparisons fail.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.